Hi everyone, welcome to TPP Learning Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to process a scanned document from the Acquire Documents screen. For more information about how to scan a document into System 1, please check out our Scanning Documents tutorial video. To begin, click on the Docs button on your home screen, or alternatively, click on Workflow menu at the top, Document Management, Acquired Documents screen. In this screen, you will be able to see all batches that have been scanned on into System 1. If a batch of documents has been assigned directly to you, you will see yourself being the owner of that batch. If you wish to process a batch that has been assigned to someone else, you must take ownership of the batch before you can proceed. This is to prevent documents from being processed by more than one person at a time. Once ownership is taken, you will now be able to perform different actions to these documents using the buttons along the top. They are: process the selected patient's documents, file the selected documents to document library, move selected documents to another batch, merge the selected pages, separate the selected pages, duplicate the selected document, and delete the selected pages. For example, if I believe these two pages belong to one document, I will then hold down my Control key on my keyboard and select the two pages. Once selected, click on the button at the top, and the pages are now showing side by side as one single document. Now, to process these documents, I can use the button along the top, or I can right-click and select Process Patient Document. You can choose to process this document using or not using OCR, which is Optical Character Recognition. This software will read the document and attempt to save some of the administrative duties from the user by completing it for them. In this instance, OCR has run on the document, and pieces of information that is used have been highlighted in yellow. On the left-hand side, we can see it's automatically selected the patient. However, if we disagreed with the system selection, we could overrule this by searching for the patient ourselves. Similarly, the system has selected the date of the letter and the type of the letter, or letter classification. Again, if we disagreed with the system's choice, we could overrule this ourselves. Next, we need to now confirm the sender address. We could visit the address book to choose an alternative sender if we wanted to, or select from a list of suggestions the system has made. The system will then suggest a recipient, and again we can choose from our suggestions or manually enter it. Finally, the system will suggest codes that is believed this patient should be coded with. And again, you have the option to remove these codes if they don't feel they are appropriate. Codes will only be added if scanning rules have been set up. Confirming these settings will then give you the option to pass these documents on for workflow. Select Forward. You will now be able to pick an individual to send these documents to, or you can select Group and pick an existing user group within your organization. You can also file this directly onto the patient's record by selecting Complete. You will have the option to add a read code, link it to an existing problem, link it to an active referral link, add a free text note, add activity details, and search for read codes using OCR. You could also highlight part of the document using the highlighter button, select the desired thickness and color, simply click and drag the content on the document. Besides, you can redact certain parts of the document using the green cross next to the highlighter. You can enter a free text on the actual document, or put a configured stamp on the document if required. Click OK to finish processing. You will now then be taken back to the Acquire Documents screen and you can move on to the next document. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. For hints and tips, follow us on Twitter at TPP Training Tips.